Hey, what's happening? So the DJI Avata 2 is on its way. I've been flying FPV drones for about 3 years now, trying out both pre-built FPV drones as well as the Avata and the DJI FPV. So today I'm gonna give you my thoughts on it from what the leaks have told us. So there's this leaked video on X which showcases a guy unboxing the DJI Avata 2, and as you can see, which is really disappointing if you look at this picture, is that he has got the DJI remote controller free separate to the DJI Avata, which means that once again they're not gonna ship the good controller in the standard combination packages. Like, what the f are you doing, DJI? Honestly, why are you not shipping the controller everyone wants to use? Okay, oh yeah, I guess because you want to make more money. Okay, cool, let's continue. And also looking from this picture, you can see that there are new goggles. So if you pause the video and look here, it says 81 decibels, and what does that mean? It being C1 class is absolutely fantastic here in Europe because we can fly it anywhere we like pretty much, as long as we're not directly overflying people. Fantastic, I'm happy about that. But one thing I'm not happy about is the design. I just don't think that this design is very agile in the air. It doesn't seem to perform very well. I've been flying the DJI Avata, the one that is out currently, and it just handles stuff pretty bad, honestly. You also have the charging hub with the free batteries. Also here the new goggles, as you can see, with the two cameras. If we go back here, you see two cameras. Basically, you don't have to buy the Apple Vision Pro, you just buy the DJI goggles free and you have a VR headset. Way, this is great if you want to see what's in front of you while still having the goggles on, so nice, but I don't see this being a big upgrade from the goggles too, really, other than that. Also the motion controller, as you can see, but like the motion controller, who uses them? It's horrible. I hate the motion controller. And the controller looks to be pretty much identical to the first version, other than it's gonna have the DJI 04 transmission system, so nothing exciting here. Looking at some more specifications here, we can see that it's gonna be 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor, 4K, 48 megapixel photos, Rocksteady 3.0, Horizon Steady. This camera to me just seems like the DJI Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro camera, which isn't a bad camera at all, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna have any sort of inbuilt gyro stabilization. You will still have to use the gyro flow, which is fine, but I would have hoped that they would have done something to get gyro flow basically inbuilt into the drone, so when you have recorded you don't have to put it through gyro flow, you just have it directly out of the drone already stabilized like gyro flow. Also we can see it's going to be launched in mid-April, so in about 2 weeks or so. But honestly, this drone just points to a very disappointing launch in my opinion. If they don't reveal some amazing features on launch, I don't see this being a huge upgrade. The old drone still has 4K 60 with 10-bit color in D-Cine-alike, so it's not like it's bad in any way. And you will probably just get D-Log M as well instead of D-Cine-alike, but that's not really a big upgrade either. So it definitely has its place, but people are gonna fly it like a 5-inch drone, and it's not gonna perform like a 5-inch drone. So if you want a freestyle drone that's gonna perform like the ones you see on Instagram, don't buy this. Just get a like Gepard C Mark V, Nazgul Evoke, blah blah blah. I will happily still use my Cinelog 20 for my Cinewhoop shots and the Gepard C Mark V for my action shots. That's just some thoughts I had. It seems like it's gonna be launching soon, so get ready, and if you wanna buy it, just think twice before you do. Thank you for listening.